Dear students, now we are going to start the 8th lesson of Standard 3. The name of the lesson is Pet and Domestic Animals. So, in the last lesson only, you have learned about the animals. Different kind of animals are there depending on their size. They classified into different categories depending on their food habit also. They classified into different categories, is it? So here we will only learn about the pet and the domestic. That means pet. Who are considered as pet? The pet animals are those animals which we keep at home. Yes, which we keep at home for our pleasure. They are called the pet animals. And what about the domestic animals? And the animals, which one we are keeping them? Some animals are there raised in farms and are used to provide us milk or food or to help with farm work. These animals are called domestic animals. That means which one are useful in our daily life. Is it? So these different kind of, among the different kind of animals, these two kind of animals today we will learn. So whenever any pet animal is there, so first thing in your mind, I think the dog is coming, isn't it? So dog is a one kind of pet element, is it? And one more thing is there, sometimes we are petting. The one thing also, that means the cat, the fish. Yes, these animals are pet. And do you know that nowadays if you can provide very good training, the tiger is also one kind of pet. Yes, tiger, lion, it is also possible, but that one is very difficult for us. If you are not trained, that means you are not able to train it, is it? So that for that kind we need a lot of training. So only when we can keep them in our house. So today we will learn about the pet. Pet means we are keeping them in our house and for our pleasure. After keeping them we are getting our pleasure, is it? So next, these common pets, I have told you, just like the dogs, cat, the fish, this thing I have told you that the one thing we must take good care of them. Sometimes it happens that you want to keep one dog in your house but you are not willing to look into it. That one is not good thing. Whenever you keep it, that means that one is a one kind of responsibility. So you took the responsibility of that pet. So whatever it needs and whatever you have to do for it, you should do. That one is the main thing. Otherwise, it won't get the proper food, proper hygiene, anything it won't get. So as a result of it may die even. So all time, whenever you are keeping any pet to your house, whoever it may be, you have to look into it. You have to take proper care of it. So we should love and care for them. Yes, we are loving, but so many people are there, they are not loving them. Just like that dog is a hunter also, as well as it can be used as a very good guard. So in the so many families, they simply used it as a guard only. They are not loving it, they are not taking care of it. It happens. So don't do this thing. You should take care of them also, and we should give them food and water on time. Sometimes it happens that inside the house no one is there, so you are not able to provide the food on time. You are not able to provide the water on a time. That one is not good thing, because we need the water and food our own time, is it? So we have to take into the same time. They also need the same thing. So if you are able to give them, provide them, get the food and the water on time, that one is a good thing. On that way, they would feel happy even, and you should keep them clean. Sometimes it happens that after a few days, what we are doing, we have to take daily bath, so they also need to take bath, is it? So how many times we are bathing? Generally 2 times, or if it is not possible 1 time daily we have to take bath, is it? So they also need bath. Yes, daily if it is not possible, so within an interval of 1 day, just let them have a bath. So you should clean them, and we should take them to a vet when they are sick. That means whenever we feel sick, we are going to doctor, is it? So they also need the doctor whenever they would feel sick, is it? So otherwise they may face the other problems, other things. They may also die sometimes. It happens. So this care you should take to any one of the pet, whatever it may be dog, it may be cat, it may be fish, it may be the bird also. Bird also we are petting in our home. So there are other animals are also there. So this is all about the pet. So pet we are keeping in our house for our pleasure, is it? And what about the domestic animal? Domestic animal means the animals which one we are keeping in our house, and sometimes they are raised in our farm. That means not in our house. The dogs, the cows are not residing with us. They are staying where? Inside the farmhouse, is it? Inside the farm, and they are giving us different products. It may be the food product, it may be the other things also. So they are used to provide us milk or food, or to help with farm work. Yes, in farm work so many works are there, so they are helping us to accomplish, is it? So these animals are called domestic animals. So domestic animals, somehow they are helping us, otherwise we won't take them, we won't keep them in our farm, is it? But what about the pets? They may help us, they may not help us, simply because on the sake of pleasure we are keeping them. Next thing, these animals, cow is a common farm animal, all of you know. Animals that live on farms include goat, sheep, horse, buffalo, ox, pig, etc. They all are the what thing? They all are the domestic animal, is it? So what ox is doing? It is helping us to do different farm work, is it? And what about the buffalo? That one is also giving us milk, and it is also helping us in our farm work. And sheep, it is also giving us the farm, is it? And the lamb, if you will see the lamb also, and the ox, pig, they are also giving us, helping us in any way. So the shelter for pet and domestic animals, is it? Shelter for pig, the pet and domestic animals means all of we need the shelter, is it? Shelter means we have the house, all of we have house where we are staying along with our family, so they also need house. Yes, they need house, otherwise where they will stay? They can't stay, is it? Because in the outside the bad atmosphere also sometimes is coming. So that means in the storm, in the time of storm, in the time of rain, so where would they go? So they also need the shelter, one shelter, that means their house. So pets and domestic animals need a shelter to protect themselves from strong wind, rain, and to raise their young ones. So it happens that whatever we can sustain, the small one, the younger one, they are not able to sustain, is it? So same thing happens along with them. So whatever they can sustain, the younger one, they can't. The strong wind, the rainy season, the storm, these all things they can't sustain. So that's why they need one shelter for the breeding, for their staying. Is it? So have a look here. This one is the shelter of what? That one is the cow. See here, both the cows are here. Is it? So have a look here. Cows are kept in shed. See here, that one is not like the house. Just one shed is there. In this way, the rain, it won't come. One shed it will get from the very strong sunlight. Is it? So here we are keeping the cows in the shed. And see here, that one is what? The dogs are kept in kennel. Yes, the house of the dog, that one is called the kennel. And see here, what they are the horses. Is it? And horses are kept in stable. The house of the horse are called stable. And one more thing, I have told you that always you have to be clean. Only that time you will be healthy. So same thing is applicable for them. They also need to be healthy. So that's why you have to clean the house. That one should be clean. Would clean. Whether are they able to clean it? No, they are not able to clean. So we have to clean their house because their responsibility is on us. That one is the main reason. The shelters of these animals should be cleaned from time to time. And the thing, when you will keep them in the, that means the each and everything in the clean weather, the proper food on that time, they would be healthy also. For the domestic animals, if they won't be healthy, they can't do for us. Is it? So sometimes it happens that the dogs, the cows, is it? The cows, they are giving the milk, but sufficient amount of food they are not providing. So that one is very pathetic. We are getting the milk from it, but without giving the food. That one is not good thing. So we have to give them sufficient amount of food also, because they are helping us. In one way they are helping us, so we also should help them. They are our responsibility. That is the main reason. And now I would like to tell you about the food for the pet and the domestic animals. So which kind of food they eat simply? So if you will see here, so the dog and the cats, both of they are eating here bread and milk. Are you able to say? Both of they are eating the bread and milk. And what about the birds? See here, both of the birds are here. They are eating the grains or the seed, any kind of seed they are eating generally. And see here, cattle eat grass and hay. Is it? So these are the different kind of food habit of different pets and the domestic. And what about the cow? They are also eating different kind of grass. That means grass also they are eating. The goats are also one kind of domestic animal. So they are also eating the grass, different kind of leaves. Is it? And the pets and domestic animals are dependent on us. Already I have told you that they are our responsibility. They are dependent on us. So we should give them the clean and nutritious food. Yes, nutritious food. I have told you all of you should have the nutritious food. Similarly, they also should have. Is it? Otherwise, they are no one. If you won't give them, then who would give? They don't have no other person rather than you. So whatever the thing you will give them, they only able to get that thing, because no other people do they have? Do they have? I don't think so. So you have to take proper care of them. You have to give them nutritious food. You have to keep them one proper, healthy and hygienic shelter. Which one you have to clean regularly, and the thing is there, you have to take good care of them. You have to take care of them. So in this way, they